How to use Kimi K3 in Visual Studio Code. Want to use Kimi K3 directly inside Visual Studio Code? In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Kimi Code extension and prepare VS Code for your Kimi K3 workflow. The setup is simple, so let's get started. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer and wait until the main editor interface has completely loaded. Once you're inside VS Code, look at the left-hand sidebar and find the extensions icon. This is usually represented by several small blocks or squares. Click that icon to open the Extensions Marketplace. Now, you'll see a search box near the top of the Extensions panel. Click inside it and type Kimi Code. Make sure the name is entered correctly so you can find the appropriate extension without accidentally selecting an unrelated result. When the search results appear, look for the extension named Kimi Code. Before installing it, take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct extension rather than a similarly named tool. Once you've verified it, click the Install button. Visual Studio Code will now download and install the extension automatically. The installation may take a few seconds depending on your internet connection and computer. While it's processing, you may see a progress indicator in the Extensions panel, so simply allow the installation to finish. After the installation is complete, the extension should appear as installed in VS Code. In some cases, Visual Studio Code may display an option to reload the window. If you see that message, click Reload so the extension can be fully activated. Before moving forward, check the Extensions panel one more time and confirm that Kimi Code is showing as installed. This is important because it verifies that the first part of the setup has been completed successfully. And that's it for this step. You've now installed the Kimi Code extension inside Visual Studio Code and prepared your editor for the next part of the Kimi K3 setup. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe to HM Advisor, and stay tuned for more AI tutorials, coding guides, and practical tech videos.